subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
This is certainly an interesting way for a smartphone to leak, and here are the images of an unannounced ZTE smartphone have made their way to the World Design Guide in the form of an entry to win a design award. ZTE entered a smartphone called the Iceberg to win an award under the product discipline, as everyone keeps arguing whether or not having a notch in a display is a functional design choice or aesthetic flaw. ZTE went ahead and made a smartphone with 2 notches in the display. Instead of wondering how to make an all-display smartphone, ZTE doubled the notch to maintain aesthetic symmetry. ZTE even managed to fit a front-facing loudspeaker into each notch. Rather than having a metal frame holding the front and rear glass together, another slab of glass seamlessly contains the front and rear glasses to make the phone feel like it's a fragment of ice. This is where the Iceberg name makes the total sense for the handset. The phone also has a wireless charging feature. As far as the availability of the ZTE Iceberg is set to launch after 2018, according to the design entry. The development time took around 13 to 24 months, and the phone is aimed for launch in Asian, European and North American markets. So what do you guys think of the ZTE Iceberg? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.